Your question is, which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India is related to equality before law? Your options are A. Article 16, B. Article 15, C. Article 14, or D. Article 13. Right answer is C. Article 14. Your question is, which of the following rights are not available to all persons in India? Select your answer by using the code given below. First, equality before the law. Second, right against discrimination. Third, freedom to move freely throughout the country. Fourth, right to contest election. Code A 134, B 124, C 123, or D 234. Right answer is D 234. Right against discrimination, freedom to move freely throughout the country, and right to contest election. Your question is, which of the following article or articles read with the word socialist are used in the preamble of the Indian Constitution enable the Supreme Court to deduce a fundamental right to equal pay for equal work? Your options are A. Article 14, B. Articles 14 and 15, C. Articles 14, 15 and 16, or D. Articles 14 and 16. Right answer is D. Articles 14 and 16. Your question is, which of the following rights conferred by the Constitution of India is also available to non-citizens? Your options are A. Right to constitutional remedies, B. Freedom of speech, C. Freedom to move and settle in any part of the country, or D. Freedom to acquire property. Right answer is A. Right to constitutional remedies. Your question is, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution guarantees equality of opportunity to all citizens of India in matters relating to public employment? Your options are A. Article 15, B. Article 16.1 and 16.2, C. Article 16.3, or D. Article 16.3, 4 and 5. Right answer is B. Article 16.1 and Article 16.2. Your question is, which of the following enabled the Supreme Court of India to deduce a fundamental right to equal pay for equal work? Your options are A. The word socialist used in the preamble to the Constitution, B. A read with Article 14 of the Constitution, C. A read with Article 16 of the Constitution, or D. A, B, C all read together. Right answer is D. A, B and C all read together. Your question is, the provisions of reservation of OBC is made in the Constitution under which articles? Your options are A. Article 13, 2 and 14, B. Article 14 and 15, C. Article 14, 4 and 16, 4, or D. Article 17 and 18. Right answer is C. Article 15, 4 and 16, 4. Your question is, the Constitution of India recognizes, your options are A. Only religious minorities, B. Only linguistic minorities, C. Religious and linguistic minorities, or D. Religious, linguistic and ethnic minorities. Right answer is C. Religious and linguistic minorities. Your question is, when was the right to education added through the amendment in the Constitution of India? Your options are A. 1st April 2010, B. 1st August 2010, C. 1st October 2010, or D. 1st December 2010. Right answer is A. 1st April 2010. Your question is, right to education to all children between the age group of 16 to 14 years is? Your options are A. Included in the directive principles of state policy, B. A fundamental right, C. A statutory right, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. A fundamental right.